staying alive. All that I feel is a fire inside. I have outrun it. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله.
Took the breath from my open mouth. Never known how it broke me down. I went in circles somewhere else.
Saudara Dr. Pandu Satriadi bin Dr. Heru Setiadi.
Ya, saya.
Saya nikahkan anak kandung saya, Dr. Arikah Diah Lamara binti Agus Arifadila, dengan mas kawin seperangkat alat sholat, logam mulia 200 gram, dan uang 3.623 Saudi Arabian Real tunai.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Arikah Diah Lamara binti Bapak Agus Arifadila untuk saya sendiri dengan mas kawin seperangkat alat sholat, logam mulia 200 gram, dan uang tunai 3.623 Saudi Arabia Real dibayar tunai.
Tell everybody I'm back in the game. This is my time, faster than ever, hungry and I'm going to come back and take what is mine, bigger and better. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game. Chase. I ain't somebody who stays in one place, ready to go, I'm coming to play. You better know I still got something to say. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my